Hey guys, it's Popstar Luna.
And Popstar Lexi.
And right now it's nighttime and we are making
fluffy slime.
Now,
Don't ask me questions, 'cause I'm tired of confessing, and I know that it's not much to say, but I swear.
Dad boards at the end.
So first you will need PVA glue.
Any glue would work.
Any glue
it has
as
to
long
be.
as it is PVA glue.
Like I have Get Here and these are.
And I have Studio.
Glue.
Clear glue will work as well.
Elmer's glue will work, just so you know.
Elmer's glue. Okay, so now with our next ingredient.
So you're gonna need body lotion and you're gonna need hand soap. This is optional to make it more stretchy at the end. This is vanilla and brown sugar.
And this doesn't have, it has a scent, but it doesn't say what scent it is. It smells very good. This is vanilla brown sugar.
It's sparkling snowflakes or something like that. Okay, and you're gonna need some
Regular foam
foaming
hand soap, which is this.
Well, it
is
doesn't have
fresh
to be
mango.
regular, but
This is fresh mango.
you're gonna need some shaving cream. You need some measuring spoons.
Which you'll need you'll definitely need a tablespoon, teaspoon, and half cup. Now that we have cornstarch,
And you need borax.
food coloring
We
is
have
optional.
blue, red, green, and orange or yellow. But I'm making a peaches color. A peachy color. So I'm going to be using these two.
I'm going to be using these two to make a teal color for my slime,
And-
like a mint teal.
And you also need a bowl and a spatula.
You will
And
need
you also need warm water.
warm or hot water.
No, hot water actually. So first what you need is you want to get a half a cup of glue.
Now she's going to pour it in.
And use your spatula. Emma, you just dripped it all over yourself. So my new paint job. That bird poop off my table. Okay, now you want to do a half a cup of shaving cream.
Make sure that it's not liquidy because it could change.
But don't put too much.
Norm.
Did you just try to hiss at Norman? You want to get your foaming soap and you want to do the same thing. You want to get a half a cup. Okay, so the next step is you just want to mix it until you get all the ingredients combined. Okay, so now you want to add, when it's all mixed together, you want to add 1 tablespoon, well a little bit over a tablespoon of cornstarch. It will start feeling a little harder. It should still drip like this. Now it's the time where you add your body lotion and your hand soap. So what you want to do is you just want to do 1 squirt of the hand soap, or like 1.5 squirt, doesn't matter. And then you just want to put in like a little squirt of the body lotion, like that. And then you want to mix that in. This makes it more liquidy and also makes it smell good if you have
And
a good
stretchy.
smell. After you mix that all up, it's time for your food coloring.
Which this is my favorite part.
So I'm gonna put 1 drop of red in, and be careful with using dye. Wait, I'm doing 1 drop of red, 1 drop of yellow. So be careful with using dye because it will stain everything, like including your clothes and your fingers. Like look at our fingers. So like really, I got some blue right here, as you can see. I'm not sure if you can see this yet, but it's starting to turn into a nice little peachy color. Okay, I got it to the color that I like. So what you want to get is you want to get warm water and you want to get about 1 teaspoon of borax. So first I'm just going to add 1, 2, and then you want to mix it together. This is the part where all of your slime will start coming together. And I swear, do not add too much that it will ruin your slime.
Okay, Buster.
It will ruin your slime. Okay, now I have to add 2 more because it's not 1, And do not stop until it's like a big blob in the middle. And if it's like still really sticking to your hands, just add some more.
Okay, I think this is enough for me.
Okay, yep, this is it. Even if it's not, I'm doing it. Okay, so now move the stuff out of the way so we can move the cutting board in. Now you just want to knead it with your fingers until it gets all mixed in this. Oh my god. It's sticking to the pan. No, it wasn't ready. It's not ready. It wasn't ready. No. Okay, I have to pick this up with my hands and put it in. Oh my no.
Okay. I'm not ready at all.
It's stretchy though, so that's good.
You're not even close to much. I need to wash my hands desperately before I fix it.
Okay, let me try stirring this some more. No, I need borax.
It's not ready.
It's ready.
I'm ready!
It's not ready.
Is it stretchy?
Help! Help me!
We'll be back after we've kneaded our slime.
Okay, so I finally got it to the right texture. It's still a little bit sticky, so you can add a little more borax if you want. I'm not going to because I don't want to ruin this, but it's really cool. And if you do get like really hard and when you stretch it out, it just breaks right away. You have to add a little bit more of the hand soap
And the hand lotion. Well, the body
lotion. The body lotion like really makes it a little more stretchy, and just get it till it gets the perfect texture. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the video and turn on that notification button and smash that like button. And if you have Musical.ly, do a Musical.ly with your slime that you made, if you made any slime that you made, and tag me in it so I can go look at it. And make sure to comment down below any more challenges or any more things that you want me to do. Oh, and if you want to do that thing on Instagram, like where it's all swirly, all you have to do is take a piece of your slime. I'm not doing it a lot because it's really sticky. You just want to take it, go like this, take that, keep doing it until it gets like a lot of strings. And then you just circle it up in a big circle like this, and then it looks, and then you just go like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to go check out Upstart Lexi's channel, and make sure you subscribe to her channel. Bye guys.
Bye.